Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to see how to apply an e-visa to Saudi Arabia. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. So guys, in front of you, I have opened the official e-visa site of Saudi Arabia. So first of all, the question arrives that what are the things you can do with this? So with this e-visa portal, international visitors from 49 eligible countries, so this is not available for all the countries. We'll go through that list now. Can apply an e-visa and you can travel to Saudi Arabia. Okay, this will be a 1 year multiple entry visa and tourists can spend up to 90 days in the country. Okay, and this visa allows you to take part in tourism related activities such as events, family and relative visits, leisure and Umrah, excluding Hajj and excludes other activities such as studying. Yes, you cannot do study and work on this visa. So let's go down. So eligible country in North America, Canada, US, Europe, this country, Asia, and Oceania. You have Oceania, you have these countries. Fine. So India is not in this. So what about the countries, those who are not in the list? Then you then need to contact Saudi Arabia embassy and follow the relevant process. We won't go into that. And as far as I see, North America, US, Canada eligible. Okay. So I can give you some walkthrough. All right. So three steps: fill the application, pay the visa fee, get your online visa. Well, this is how online visas work, right? E-visas work for most of the countries that we have seen. So first you need to select the passport. So I select regular nationality. I'll go for Canada. Then this code I need to enter. Okay. So what are the things they are asking? Like, so this is the registration page. So you see there's an option to sign in, but we have not registered ourselves. So we got to sign in over here. Okay. So I'm gonna do that. First name, right? So just simple. Sample guys. This is not, of course, will not submit the application. Email, question. Let's put a sample. Password. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna email and register. So what happens is that once you register, they send a link to your email in order to activate it. And then when you activate your link and then you try to log in, so whenever you try to log in, they send you a verification code just to verify it's you. So once you come to the main page, you have a sign out option, login for individual, and apply for group. And you can see search also, but I haven't done any application, so that's why I can't see under individuals and group as well. So we'll go for individual. So let's click on it. Are you applying on behalf of someone else? I click no. So what are the things required? And see, the session times out 10 minutes. After that, you will have to log in again. So be careful, guys. So like first you need to provide personal information, then passport, then medical insurance, terms, conditions you need to accept, review application and payment. So simple thing that happens. Picture, they have given the specification. Country of nationality already picked up based on what we selected. First name or given name English. Middle name if in passport, last name, gender, marital status, date of birth, country of birth, profession, current residence address. Okay, so I'm gonna put some sample here. And this if available in passport. Okay, sample guys. Simple, guys. Uh, Let me see if I can go to next. Yeah, photo I have not uploaded. And I cannot because I don't have my picture and I don't want to show you guys. But anyway, we have got the idea. So in the next page, it's going to ask for passport, then medical insurance. You should have the insurance for the time you take and sufficient amount. Terms and conditions, review application, and then payment. And after you pay, they're gonna process. And if it is granted, then you can come. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank